Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter number 7 of class 9. Name of the chapter is triangles. In this chapter we will discuss congruent of two triangles, how to show two triangles are congruent. So first of all, before going to start our chapter, we need to know what is the congruence rule. Congruence means, for example, if we take two circles of same radius, and if we put one circle on the another so that these two circles cover up each other completely, then we can say that these two circles are congruent. That means if we put any shape on another shape such that they cover each other completely, then we say that these two figures are congruent. If we take one more example, a square of same side, and if we put these two square one another put on another, then they cover up each other completely. So two shapes, when they are of the same size, same length, such that they are completely identical, then these two shapes are called congruence. So in this chapter, to show two triangles are congruent, we have total 5 rules. In the first exercise, we will discuss just 2 rules. First rule is, in triangles we can say that equilateral triangles are congruent because each of the side of equilateral triangle are equal, so they are congruent. In congruence of triangles we have total 5 rules. First rule is angle side angle rule. That means ASA. It means angle side angle rules. That means if we draw two triangles such that angle side angle and its two angles and included one side is equal in the two triangles if its two angles and included side is written in between both of the angle, that means included side to both of the angle is equal, then we say that these two triangles are congruent by the rule to be followed, which is ASA rule. So we will write here that triangle ABC congruent. This is the sign of congruent. This is the sign of congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by the rule to be followed, which is ASA, that means angle side angle. Next rule is second rule is side angle side, SAS, that means side angle side. If we draw two triangles and its two sides and included angle is equal, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent by the rule, which is SAS. So in our answer we will write that triangle ABC is congruent, this is the sign of congruent, to triangle EFG by the congruence rule, which is side angle side rule. So today we will discuss just these two rules. Now we will do some questions related to only these two rules. In our first exercise, first question is, you are given a quadrilateral in which two sides are given. In this quadrilateral name is ACBD. This line is the bisector of this angle. It is given in the question and two sides are also equal. So we have to do this question in a systematic way. That means you have to write in your solution step by step. First step is given, next step is to prove, which you have to show in your answer, and next will be the proof, that means your solution. So you have to do this question in a systematic way. First step is given. In given, you will write which you are given in the statement. In the statement, you are given a quadrilateral name of the quadrilateral is ABCD, in which two sides are given. Sides are AC and AD. AC and AD. In addition, one more condition is given, that is AB bisect angle A, and you have to show ABC congruent to triangle ABD. So for this purpose, what will you do? First of all, use which you are given in the statement. First of all, write in the given which you are given in the statement, then which you have to prove, write in the point to prove, then the solution you will do in the point proof. In our solution, what will we do? First of all, write the name of the triangle which you have to show congruent. Write the name. Name of the triangle is ABC and triangle ABD. You have to show this triangle congruent by any rule. You can use angle side angle or side angle side, but it totally depend on which you given in the statement. In statement, you are given that this side AC is equal to AD. But how these sides are equal? We don't know. It is totally given in the question. So you have to write the reason in the bracket that it is given. So these two sides are equal because it is given in the question. Next is this angle. These two angles are equal in the measurement because it is given in the statement that AB bisect. Bisect means which cut an angle into two equal parts. So we can say that upper side of this angle, that means CAB, is equal to lower side of this angle, that is BAD. Reason you have to write in the bracket because AB bisect angle A. That's why these two angles are equal. Third is AB. This side is common in the upper triangle and in the lower triangle. AB is a side which is common in both of the triangle. So This is equal because it is common. Now check which rule you will follow here. Side, angle, side. So we will write here by side, angle, side, congruence rule. These two sides are equal. These two triangles are equal. So ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So this is the main concept, and this is the system. You have to do this question in a systematic way. You have to write here given, to prove, and proof. In addition, you have to show one more condition, that is BC and BD. BC and BD. What's about BC and BD? आपसे ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि इन दोनों साइड्स के बारे में क्या है कि either they are equal or not. Here the reason will be these two sides are equal. BC is equal to BD. Reason is CPCT. What is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. That means if two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts will be equal. If two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts देखो कौन से बचे? These two angles, they are equal. These two angles ये अपने आप ही इक्वल हो जाएंगे अगर दो ट्रायंगल क्या है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. These two sides are equal. आपसे क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा गया है, either BC and BD is equal or not. Yes, this is equal and the reason will be CPCT. That means corresponding parts of congruent triangle.